This time, we are installing a universal adjustable sway bar and link. The vehicle installed is a Nissan Versa universal adjustable sway bar and link unboxing. Product logo, product precautions, product overview, universal adjustable sway bar and link. Adjustable length range is from 180 millimeters to 230 millimeters. Ball joint bolt hole diameter ranges from 10 millimeters to 12 millimeters. Tools used for removing and installing the universal adjustable sway bar and link, only applicable to this installation vehicle. For Nissan Versa only. Large electric impact wrench, large 14 millimeter short socket, large 17 millimeter short socket, medium 17 millimeter deep socket, large 14 millimeter deep socket, large 17 millimeter deep socket, large 21 millimeter deep socket, 14 millimeter wrench, 16 millimeter wrench, 17 millimeter wrench, 18 millimeter wrench, large quick wrench, extendable ratchet wrench, medium torque wrench, large torque wrench. Use a large 21 millimeter deep socket with an extendable ratchet wrench. Loosen the wheel lug nuts slightly. Lift the vehicle. Use a large 21 millimeter deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the wheel lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Use a large 14 millimeter deep socket with a large electric impact wrench to remove the adjustable sway bar and link mounting nut. Remove the nut. Use a large 14 millimeter short socket with a large quick wrench and a 14 millimeter wrench to remove the adjustable sway bar and link mounting nut. Remove the nut and take out the adjustable sway bar and link. Comparison between the old and new adjustable sway bar and links. The old sway bar and link had excessive ball joint play, which caused abnormal noise while driving. Reference sound of the abnormal noise. We choose to replace it with an adjustable sway bar and link. Next, we begin adjusting the sway bar and link length. After setting both sides to the same length, tighten the lock nuts. Use a 16 millimeter wrench, 17 millimeter wrench, and 18 millimeter wrench to tighten the lock nuts. Hold the adjustment rod with an 18 millimeter wrench and tighten using a 16 millimeter wrench. Tighten using a 17 millimeter wrench. Final appearance after installation. Before installing the new sway bar and link, we need to remove the upper nut and the limit spacer. The limit spacer should be selected. Based on your specific installation needs, remove the nut and limit spacer. Now begin installing the new sway bar and link. Align the mounting holes and install. Install the sway bar and link mounting nut. Use a large 17 millimeter deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the upper mounting nut of the adjustable sway bar and link. Use a large 17 millimeter short socket with a large quick wrench to tighten the lower mounting nut of the adjustable sway bar and link. Use a medium 17 millimeter deep socket with a medium torquey wrench to apply final torque to the adjustable sway bar and link mounting nuts. Tightening torque is 40 Newton meters, 30 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Install the wheel lug nuts. Use a large 21 millimeter deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the wheel lug nuts. Use a large 21 millimeter deep socket with a large torque wrench to apply final torque to the wheel lug nuts. Tightening torque is 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds. Lower the vehicle.